Hello my quilting friends, Leah Day here with another Free Motion Friday. It's time to learn another cool design. Today's design is called Open Flow. It's a beautiful branching design. We basically just add open gaps to a design called McTavishing. So let's get on the machine and see how this design works in free motion. So to get started with Open Flow, we're going to just stitch a wiggly wobbly line. Okay, and then come to a point, and then now I'm going to branch out, creating kind of an open pocket. And I want to reconnect with my first line and do a little bit of travel stitching right at the end. Now this is a branching design, so I'm going to travel stitch just a bit and then branch out with an echo, coming in and hitting the tip of our little open gap shape. And bounce back, and again travel stitch, and then come back out with another echo. So in this way I'm kind of bouncing from the tip all the way back down to any previously quilted line. It can be another motif, another shape, or the edges of your quilting space. It really doesn't matter. Okay, now that I've completed one entire shape, I'm going to travel stitch down and fill in another one over here, but I don't want to branch just right off the tip. It kind of looks funny when I do that. So I'm going to stitch down a bit and then come in. And you can curl this around a little bit if you want to. You can make this any size and shape that you want. You can make those gaps really small, or you can make them really big. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to travel stitch. And when I'm echoing, I'm really just looking at the distance between those lines of quilting. I'm not really staring at my needle. I'm not really staring at the foot. I'm just looking at the distance between the lines of quilting, and it's really just a spatial orientation kind of thing. This is a little odd area, so I'm just going to fill it in with more back and forth echoes. Sometimes you have to break a design down a bit in order to get it to fit into any space, and that's perfectly fine for this design. I'm going to come back and start branching out with echoes in this direction. Just going to travel stitch a bit. And where I want thread to kind of build up, I want thread to build up on the tips of those shapes, of those open shapes. It's really going to add to the design. And that's why I come in and make sure to hit that point every single time. Okay, definitely have a strange gappy area here. So I think I'm going to just fill it in with some echoes like this. That looks great. A lot of careful travel stitching with branching designs and echoing, so it's a great skill builder. I'll branch out with my next little gap shape, and then I'll finish filling that one in with more echoes as well. I think this design has a lot of potential for variations. You know, we could fill those gaps with different designs. We could fill them with circles or pebbling or stippling. You know, really there's a lot of possibilities here. And I just love the flow of this design. It's very, very organic, and it's going to end up going in all different directions. I really, really like this. So that's it for Open Flow. I really hope you'll get on your machine and give this design a try. Definitely click here to subscribe to our videos so you don't miss out on any of the cool quilting designs coming out every week. Until next time, let's go quilt.